In this training, we're going to talk about mobile optimized websites and why your business needs one. Learn how to use mobile marketing to your advantage to help your business. So let's get started. Mobile optimized websites. We know that there are billions of mobile devices in use worldwide. You probably have, every one of your friends and family members has a mobile phone just like mine do, right? We know that. And the technology of these devices is just increasing and increasing. The phone originally could access the internet. Now we're accessing websites, we're transferring money, and more importantly, we're buying products using our mobile devices. Now, as this shift in buying patterns continues, more and more businesses are choosing to create a mobile optimized version of their website. It's essential that you have one because of the use of mobile devices. You want to provide your customers with an easy and accessible way to connect with your business from anywhere, anytime. And it should be a really good user experience. So what is a mobile optimized site? Now, all standard websites can be accessed via a smartphone, but a mobile website is specifically designed for the small screen, slow speed, and limited functionality. Now, mobile sites show users exactly the same information, but in a way that is real easy and fast to navigate. I mean, we have tap to call buttons, there's no more pinch and scroll, and it makes the user experience so much greater. So by creating a mobile website for your business, you'll be able to make the most of the new advertising opportunities that this type of technology offers. Now, the market shift towards smartphones. Now, once the iPhone was released in 2007, there was a number of people that are jumping on the smartphone bandwagon. It's continued to rise, over the years. And we know now that more people spend an average more time on their phones than they do on their PCs. Who would have thought that, right? So we need a more specialized mobile marketing strategy in place to go with this increase of smartphone use. The marketplace has changed. So what's the difference between a mobile website and a standard website? Well, the pages are more compact so that they are easily viewable on a smaller screen. You can see in the image there, the mobile website on the right-hand side has icons and images that are right there up front. The one on the left is a little harder to read. Well, actually, it's a lot harder to read, and you'd have to pinch and scroll to find out any valuable information. Websites load faster to suit limited smartphone capability. All data is simplified to make it easy to really read. And Flash and other multimedia elements that are not compatible with mobile devices are usually avoided. So how do we create a successful mobile optimized website? Well, the typical user spends an average of 77 minutes per day on their smartphone. So creating a well-designed mobile optimized website can boost your business's online visibility and really give you some really good results. Now, here are just a few features that a successful mobile website should include. It should have a simple layout. It should have a really fast download speed. You want to integrate some type of map if you have a physical location, and it should be connected with offline media. So let's show you an example of a simple layout. The most important difference between a mobile site and a standard site is the way the whole site is laid out. Now, your website needs to be easy to read on a much smaller screen. You can see the one on the right. It has its buttons all laid out in a horizontal fashion. There's a tap to call button, a find us map, and everything looks really easy to navigate. The key design aim is to prevent the user from getting lost in their navigation. Once they reach your site, if your site was the one on the left and they can't see your phone number and they can't see the menu and they keep clicking the wrong thing, it's going to frustrate them and they're going to leave your site. A couple of changes that should be made to your new mobile site is that you want to cut out all non-vital information. Just make it simple and easy to navigate. Just give them all the best and most important information right up front. You want to limit the number of categories that you have, maybe reduce the number of links per page, and just prioritize your information so that everything is laid out in a real simple fashion. Here's another example of a before and after. You can see on the left how small the text is, and on the right how easy it is to navigate through your website. Let's talk about faster download speed. The larger the data size of a page, the longer it's going to take to load. Now, people are getting frustrated when they go to a website on their phones and it takes forever to load. So you're going to want to reduce your loading. If your website is slow to load, they're going to quickly just move on. The more pages they're allowed to view in a set time, the more likely they're going to find the information they want. So just make sure that the speed is very easy and fast. You want to integrate your mobile site with a map. There's a wide range of mapping functions that you can use. You can integrate it with Google Maps. Or as long as you have a mapping function and a physical location for your business, you're going to want to definitely take advantage of that. You can also connect with offline media. Now, there's an image there with a QR code scanner. Now, some mobile devices, you can integrate an app, the use of an app, and integrate that with your mobile device. Codes are scanned by a phone's camera, and it allows the web browser to a specific web page. Now, you can use QR codes in your business so that when they scan it, it goes directly to your mobile-friendly website. There's a whole variety of ways that we can integrate that offline media. So what kind of results can we expect? Well, if you are going to integrate your mobile website, Google is making a change in 2015 that will require you to have a mobile website. And if you do not, you are going to lose rankings in the search engine. So that's very important to have a high Google ranking. So make sure your main site has its redirects working properly and everything is all integrated properly so that you have a mobile-friendly version. You also want positive customer experiences. You don't want people getting frustrated and taking forever to load. You want them to land on your site and get what they need and allow you to, number 3, make more sales. So making sales is very important. And number 4, a better brand image. So it allows you to just push your brand right in front of your consumers so that they can bookmark your site and keep revisiting and make it really easy for them to use. Let's talk about higher Google rankings. Okay, the higher up the website appears in the search engine, the better. We know that. So if you do not have a mobile site with your business, it's going to hurt your main site. It's going to hurt your business overall. Search engines like Google are able to recognize when a person is using a smartphone and will feature mobile optimized sites higher in their search results. So let's make sure that we are taking care of that. Now, I talked briefly about the Google algorithm mobile change, but here's a few things that they're looking for. They're looking for fonts that are easy to scale, that are scaled to the reader. So on your mobile device, the smaller screens needs larger fonts. So they're looking for that. They're looking for Flash sites that don't have a mobile version. If you have a Flash website and do not have a mobile version of your site, your mobile device cannot read Flash. So you're going to make sure that your Googlebot can crawl your entire site and it finds a mobile link there. Mobile redirect must be working properly as well. Make sure it's, on every type of phone, it is working. And the load time on a mobile site must be fast. Google is looking for that. We also want a positive customer experience. So once a customer enters your site, it's important that they enjoy it, that they can navigate, that they can find exactly what they're looking for. And that's what a mobile website does for you. We also want more sales. We want to expand your website to meet the needs of the mobile market so that you can find the product or the service and be able to purchase very easy. We want better branding for you. Having a user-friendly mobile site gives you that better branding. It gives you your images right up front, your logo, everything that you need to do to really stick in the mind of your consumer. So how do we get started? Creating a mobile website opens your business up to a huge marketplace, and you're going to want a professional to really help you out with this. You want to do it right. You want to have somebody that is a marketing specialist that can help you design a really good mobile website and an overall advertising strategy that can benefit your business. So if you're looking for an easier way to make the most of this emerging technology, an online marketing specialist is the way to go. Hiring the services of a professional will not only save you time, but it'll save you money in the long run because you don't have to worry about any of these things. If you'd like to contact us so that we can get your mobile marketing strategy started, implemented, and working properly, we'd be happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching this training, and we look forward to helping you with your mobile marketing strategy.